Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to iFactioners Learning Video Tutorials. In today's video tutorial, we will learn what do we call different garden items in Urdu and Hindi. Let's start our tutorial of garden items. Garden items are called बाग की अशिया, बाग की अशिया और बाग की चीज़ें. Ashia or cheezeं are things or items, and baag means garden. Ki means of. Baag ki ashya, items of garden. Barbecue is chula. Chula. Bench is bench. Bench. Flower is phool. Phool. Garden fork is kanta. Kanta. Hand trowel is khurpi. Khurpi. Hedge trimmer is kanchi. Kanchi. Hose pipe is pipe. Pipe. Lawnmower is घास काटने की मशीन. घास काटने की मशीन. Plant is पौधा. पौधा. Pond is तालाब. तालाब. Rake is तिरछा. तिरछा. Spade is बेलचा. बेलचा. Sprinkler is फवारा. फवारा. Tree is दरख्त. दरख्त. Watering can is jhara. Jhara. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. If you liked this video tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up and share it. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.